Alright, man. I'm taking a walk in this. Damn. Fucking crazy. Holy shit. Like people fucking... This is nuts. This is fucking Boston though. This is some shit. Wow. Down there. Damn. Fucking crazy. Look at this snow. Can you see the difference in that shit? Look. It's so bad. It's just one fucking plow straight down. This is insanity. Wow. This is awesome. Yeah, my stupid ass is walking to the store. At least there's sun. That is crazy. Damn. Alright, man, until next time. You are walking with the evil genius. 187. In the goddamn blizzard of 2013.